Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's makeup video is going to be a tutorial on how to do a cut crease eye makeup look. And if you want to see how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's begin. Let's go. So to start this makeup, I'm using a primer. This is from Patanjali. This is their Aloevera gel. I'm going to apply it all over my face to give my face a smooth base to work on. Then I'm using a color corrector. This is orange color corrector from Star Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this wherever I have a little hyperpigmentation, that is my dark circles and around my mouth. Then I'm going to use my foundation. I'm using this Lakme Perfecting Foundation in the shade Natural Shell. If you want to know what are the products that I'm using, you can check out the description box. I have listed all the products down below. Taking a makeup sponge, I'm going to blend out my foundation. And then I'm taking a little bit of concealer to conceal the areas that I want to be highlighted, or highlight the areas that I want to be highlighted. So that is the under eye area, nose, forehead and chin. Then taking a fluffy makeup brush, I am going to fluff this concealer out because I do not want it to move very much. So I'm using this makeup brush to stipple it out and not brush it. And then taking a little bit of loose powder, I'm going to bake the under eye area. And then taking the same powder, I am going to apply it all over the face to set my concealer and foundation where I want it to be. And I'm taking this MeNow Pro Concealer palette, and I'm going to take the darkest shade and contour out my cheekbones, jawlines, nose, and a little bit on the temples of my face, that is the forehead area. And taking this contour powder, I'm going to set that cream concealer out because I do not want to be greasy at the end of the day. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using this mustard shade on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this as a transition to my eyes. And I'm going to apply it to the crease. Then taking a smaller blending brush, I'm using this orange shade and applying it little below the mustard shade, and I am going to pull this all over my lid and slightly drag it out as well to give a V shape to the outer corner of my eyes. Then taking a darker brown shade, I am going to define the V shape on the outer corners and kind of help, and this dark brown color will kind of also help me to get a dimension on my eye look to kind of smoke it out. Then taking a concealer, I am going to use it to cut the crease. To cut the crease, I am using this concealer and applying it to the area where I think my crease will fall, and I am going to very carefully apply it because I do not want to mess up the entire eyeshadow. And after I'm done doing that, I'm going to set it with a setting powder before I apply any other eyeshadow. Once I'm done doing that, I am taking the champagne color and I'm going to apply it to the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm taking this brownish champagne shade to apply all over the eyelid. Then again taking the darker brown shade, I'm kind of blending everything together, pulling everything together. Then taking the same darker brown shade on my lower lash line, I'm going to smoke out the entire eye look. Then taking a liner, I'm going to line my eyes, and then I'm going to apply mascara and coat my lashes from all sides. And next I'm going to do blush. I'm taking this peach and pink shade together, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to apply it to the apples of my face, apples of the cheeks, whatever, and that will bring the color back into my face and not make it look dead. And then I'm going to do a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to apply it to the highest points of my face. And then taking this Miss Claire shade number 10 lipstick, I'm going to apply this on my lips. This is the perfect red shade. Everyone must have this lipstick. And this is the look, guys. This is how I created this look. If you like this, please let me know in the comments down below. If you want me something, if you have something for me to recreate, let me know in the comments down below. If you want a specific tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.